Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID verification code not received on any iPhone. If you are trying to enable two-factor authentication on your iPhone and your verification code is not receiving, so let's see how can you fix that issue. First of all, you just have to open up your settings. In settings, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and here if you are connected to Wi-Fi or cellular, so you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Then you have to enable airplane mode, then wait for 5 or 10 seconds, then disable it. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, then wait for your phone connect to internet. Once it has been connected, you just have to go back, and here you have to open general settings. In general, you just have to scroll down, and here you have to look for VPN and device management. Simply tap on it, and here you have to make sure that your phone is not connected to any VPN. And once you have checked, you just have to go back, and here just try again. Or if you are still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you just have to open up your app store, and here simply tap on your profile in the top right corner, and from here you just have to select your profile, and it will open in your settings. Or if it doesn't, you just have to open up your settings app again, and here tap on your profile, and from here you just have to select the media and purchases option, then select view account, and here you just have to wait for its loading, and here you have to enter your Apple account password, and from here you just have to select the country or region option. Simply tap on it, and here you just have to select the specific region in which you are living. So you have to make sure that you are selected the correct region based on your location. And once you have selected, you just have to tap on this continue option, and here select the agree in the top right corner, and then tap on or you have to enter these information if you want to enter. And once you have entered these information, simply tap on this done option, and once you have did this, your problem will be easily fixed. So in this way you can easily fix Apple ID verification code not received on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.